In the previous classes, we discussed of unseen comprehension passages, and today we'll discuss a full-fledged passage. We'll try to solve the question as well as try to bring out those important points which are to be useful, which are going to be useful for writing that summary in 50 words. Keep it in mind, summary we had before we used to write for 60 words instead of 50 till 2018. From 19 onwards, it's got converted into 50 words. It got reduced, as well as the marks. So before it was 25, now it is 20. So this is a very old thing that we are doing. We have been doing it since class 5, unseen comprehension passage. But today what will you do? The hand-to-hand method, the practical method, to score as much as you can. So just follow these guidelines. Here we go. So here is question number 4. Billy Weaver had travelled down from London, and by the time he arrived it was 9 o'clock in the night and the moon was coming up. "Excuse me," he asked the porter, "but is there a cheap hotel nearby?" "Try the Bell Hotel," the porter answered, pointing down the road. Billy thanked him, picked up his suitcase and set out to walk the distance to the Bell Hotel. He had never been to Richmond Fort before, but the man at the office had told him it was a splendid city. Billy was 17 years old. He was wearing a new navy blue overcoat, a new brown hat, a new suit, and he was feeling fine. He walked briskly down the street. He was trying to do everything briskly there these days. The big sorts up at the head office were fantastically brisk at the time. They were amazing. The road was lonely and dark with a few scattered houses. Suddenly, in the downstairs window, Billy saw a printed notice propped up against the window glass. It said "Bread and Breakfast." He moved a bit closer and peered through the window into the room, and the first thing he saw was a bright fire burning in the hearth. On the carpet in front of the fire, a little dog was curled up asleep with nose tucked into his belly. The room in half darkness was filled with pleasant furniture. There was a piano and a big sofa and several plump armchairs, and in one corner he spotted a large parrot in the cage. Animals were usually a good sign in a place like this, Billy told himself, and it looked to him as though it would be a pretty decent house to stay in. The queer thing happened to him. Then a queer thing happened to him. Queer means strange. He was in the act of stepping back and going away from the window when he felt a strange urge to ring the bell. He spread the bell. He heard it ringing, and then at once the door swung open, and a woman was standing there. The woman was standing there. She gave him a warm, welcoming smile. "Please come in," she said pleasantly. Billy found himself automatically moving forward into the house. "I saw the notice in the window," he said, holding himself back. "Yes, I know. I was wondering about a room." It's all ready for you, my dear," she said. She had a round pink face and very gentle blue eyes. "How much do you charge?" $5 a night, including breakfast. It was fantastically cheap. He could easily afford it. So immediately after completing this one, we'll get 3 words, and we have to provide meaning for all this. This reading took only 3.5 minutes. For you, I would like to suggest you to have 2 readings. One before answering the question, and secondly, you see the question once, read all the question together, and read once more so that you can get all the answer in your grip. that will make a difference of at least 3 to 4 marks. So be careful of that one. Splendid, spotted, automatically. Line numbers are also provided. So first one is splendid is means great. Second one is spotted, that means noticed here. Now keep it in mind, don't give two meanings like this. Great, fabulous you have written. So what will happen in that case? You will lose marks. Even one is correct, you will lose mark. So better what we should do? We should not write these things. Only one meaning. If it is wrong, no marks, no problem. But writing two, one correct and one wrong, it's painful. Even writing right, you will lose the marks. So only word meaning. Now you see it is in splendid. Adjective, it should be adjective. Spotted, past form. Noticed, past form. Next we have automatically, and that is instinctively. Third one. Now here we have the questions. How did the porter assist Belly? So from the book we have to take. So it should be B1. So here you have got this one. This is the question, and in answer to this one we have this one. So we will get marks pointing down the road. This will give us 2 marks. So this should be the answer, but it should be written in your own words. Don't forget to put the points in. These points like answered, pointing, the road, these things you cannot change. This one you convert into indirect, then the answer will be all fine. Next is question number B2. Why did Billy want to do everything briskly? And here you got the answer for this one. The big shots up at the hotel out of the head service were festively bricks all the time. So this one is the answer. This one you have to write. So here you got the answer. The big shots up at the hotel office were fantastically bricks all the time. So we have got the second one also, B. Now we have the third one. Why did Billy think animals were a good sign in the place like this? So we have got it here. Corner he spotted a large parrot in the cage. It seems that the owner of the house is very friendly in nature or good-hearted person. So we get two options here. That is, we get the homely atmosphere and affection. So these 2 points are to be noted here. Now this is a different question. This one directly not mentioned here. Next one, which sentence tells you that something strange happened to Billy? This is the sentence. He was in act of stepping back and going away from the window when he felt a strange urge to ring the bell. This should be quoted. To write the answer, this should be quoted. This one B4 and this must be quoted. So this is very easy. Last one, how did the room cost? It's $5 including a breakfast. $5 a night as it is mentioned in your book, in your passage. But the last one, in not more than 50 words, give a brief account of what Willie saw as he looked through the window of the room. This is a very short summary. Be careful of taking the points here. So what did he see when he looked through the window? Okay, so the points to be noted. Which of the points must be there? Bright fire burning in the hearth. On the carpet of the front of the fire, a little dog was curled up and asleep. That second part is not dated. The room is in half darkness, filled with pleasant furniture. Next, piano you have to mention, big sofa and palm armchairs, these things you have to mention. Parrot cage should be there. So these are the points to be noted. So including these points you have to make it in 50 words, 5 into 10 grids. Keep it in mind, provide a suitable title for your summary. Don't forget to do that. More than that, you try to write that summary and all the answers. If you find any doubt, kindly inform me. This is a must done, this is a this homework should be done. Okay, this is not homework, a class work that you should follow and write in your copy 1 or copy 2, which one would you like. So here ends today's class for unseen comprehension. Thank you.